Hare Krishna, welcome to the online classes. Today we will discuss on a very, very important and tremendously, stupendously relevant subject, um, and very, very current, that the difference between this coronavirus and Bhabo virus. You know that whole world is afflicted by the coronavirus pandemic. So we will today discover that there is another virus which is zillions times, millions times, trillions times, more dangerous, more efficacious, and more dangerous than this coronavirus. So before we start, let us offer our humble obeisances to our spiritual master. अमज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञान अंजनशलाकाय चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च निरूपं साग्रजातं सगणशिरघुनाथं वितं तं सजीवं सद्वैतं सवधूतं परिजानसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्ण पदं सगन ललितां श्री विशाखान्वितं च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषावानुसुत देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यः वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमति भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So thank you very much. Today's topic is the coronavirus versus this Bhavo virus. As we know, whole world under the grip of pandemics, afflicted by the coronavirus. So everybody is confronting this, grappling with this very critical, chaotic, and catastrophic situations. A small virus, small insignificant virus that has brought the whole world into knees. There are innumerable deaths. The people are facing such a unprecedented, debilitating and devastating condition. The death rate, the infection is very, very rampant. The death rate also is proportionately very rampant. So this coronavirus or this pandemics, disease, which that has created a very, very, you know pandemonium in our life. Pandemonium, because nobody wants to die, because life is precious. Nobody, we are actually, constitutionally we are deathless, we are part and parcel of the Lord. Somehow we have enforced in this very alien atmosphere, very non-existential atmosphere. So our existence is now threatened by this death. This virus and all, these are just the these elements, they are not actually the real cause of the death actually. That's why we are fearing. So so we should learn today that this coronavirus is, although everybody is petrified, everybody is devastated, everybody is in a very pathetic situation and struggling to escape from this coronavirus, but you should understand that this virus may kill us one time, but another virus called Bhavo virus, which is repeated birth and death. It is one time birth and death, death. This is repeated birth, death, disease, old age. And this Bhavo virus is more and zillions time, more and more dangerous, more and more, detrimental, more and more pathetic, because it's just a common sense that once you are getting injured and you are injured, you are being injured repeatedly, which is more serious, the intensity or seriousness and danger of repeated is more pathetic as compared to the coronavirus. That's why, but the irony is that we are all oblivious to the fact of the repeated birth and death. Out of our ignorance, we are thinking that this life is only once. But it is not a fact. We have been taking birth since time immemorial. The fundamental teaching of Bhagavad Gita is that Dainam spin jatha de komaram jovanam cha tatha dehantara prapti dhiras tatra namihate. Antabatam tu ima deha nityasakta sariranaha. But this sarira, this body is subject to die, but the soul is not. Is subject to die. And whosoever has taken death, who has died, he has to take birth, as Krishna say that in 226 of Bhagavad Gita, that jatasya durva murtu janma murtu jatasya durva murtu, those who have taken 227, those who have taken birth is sure to die. Either today, it is stated in a beautiful verses in this regard, that how there is beautiful verses in this regard. It is spoken by the it is spoken by the Vasudev to Kansa, that either today or tomorrow everybody has to die. O great hero, it is stated here that, O great hero, who takes birth is sure to die. Death is born with the body. One may die today or after 100 years, but death is sure for every living entity. So death is sure. But the death is not the end of our life, end of our existence. As Krishna says, Dehinam jatha de komaram tatha dehantara prapti. So again we have to take birth according to our karma. We have to take birth. So, but it is, therefore, this bhavaroga is very, very important. Everybody is infected by the bhavaroga. As long as we are in a material existence, always we will confront the inconvenience of the birth, death, disease, old age. We cannot escape from this inconvenience. Therefore, our root cause is this material existence. The root cause is that we are not belong to this, we belong to kingdom of God, but somehow and other, because infected by the bhavaroga, we have come into the material existence. And in this material existence, we always face the inconvenience of birth, death, disease, old age. Not only death, birth, death, old age, and disease also. There are so many adhyatmik, adidaivik, so many other symptoms, other suffering, not only death only. Death is the ultimate. But not only death, we have been suffering so many other umpteen number of sufferings. So death is just a symptoms of a big virus, symptoms of a big suffering, grand suffering, gargantuan suffering. Death is not just the same. This coronavirus, death is just a symptoms that in a material existence we have been existing since time immemorial. In this creation only, it is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam that in this creation of Brahma lives for 12 days and 12 nights. In 12 days he has already passed, 12 hours. 12 hours of the Brahma is actually 311 trillion 40 billion years. So Lord Brahma has passed already half of the day. That means we have been in this material existence since 155 trillion and 20 billion years. That is a huge number. That is a huge number. Since time immemorial, 155 trillion year, 20 billion we have been taking birth. Just for this creation only. And think of that how long we have been, anadikala. We cannot even trace. There is no contact, in COVID or coronavirus or COVID virus, we have some tracing, contact tracing. But in this situation, we cannot even trace back, because in this creation only it is already 155 trillion year and 20 billion year past. That means how long ago we have been traced, we have been contracted by the Bhava virus. So we should understand that because of this material existence we have been suffering, and one life is just a symptoms. Therefore this one life COVID virus is not so dangerous. One life we may die. But Bhava virus is dangerous, because that virus we will be, if we are contracted by that virus, we have to undergo repeated birth and death, repeated birth and death, repeated birth and death. Even though he is fleeing from one planet to another planet, we cannot escape. At least in coronavirus, COVID cases, some people now, the film star or those rich person, they are flying to Dubai, flying to Maldives, escaping from this infected country and going to some less infected, disinfected country, no infected country. So they are escaping. But this Bhava, you cannot escape. Not any planet, any species you go, you have to undergo. You have to. It is very important to understand the distinction between. It is very nicely stated in this beautiful verses in Bhagavatam. Beautiful verses in Bhagavatam. Actually, it is stated that no one in this material world. So no one in this material world has become free from the four principal: birth, death, disease, old age disease. Even by fleeing to various planets. But now that you have appeared, my Lord, death is fleeing in fear of you. So here it is said that no one in this material world is free from the principle of birth, death, old age, disease, even by fleeing various planets. So that is the difference. This Bhavaroga is very, very important, very, very dangerous. One should not be oblivious to that, the broader outlook, broader, danger, higher danger, Bhavaroga. So what is this Bhavaroga? We should very clinically, just like clinically testing of COVID virus, what it is actually. Similarly, we will now diagnose, we will clinically test, clinically understanding, clinically analyze what is this Bhavaroga, which is more dangerous. Therefore, today's actually my topic is that we should get out from the. You see, today's verse is 3:26-27. The real interest of the living entity to get out from the nations that causes him to endure repeated birth and death. And the only remedy to surrender. It is the disease, the real disease, the higher disease, the ultimate disease, the dangerous disease is Bhavaroga, repeated birth and death. And remedy also, today's verses we will be discussing on the remedy. First of all, let us know the first of all disease, analyze the disease. What is this disease? What is this Bhavaroga? See, Bhavaroga is means, the Bhava means to become something else. Means, why this repeated birth and death? Because constitutionally, as Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, we are actually spirit soul and belong to the Lord. Mamavansa jiva loko jiva bhutta sanatana, 15:7 Bhagavad Gita. Manaha sastra indyani prakatistani karsati. We belong to the spiritual kingdom. We belong to the spiritual kingdom, and we are impregnable to all these things. We are belong to spiritual, we are part and parcel of the Lord. As soon as you are contracted by this Bhavaroga, we become something. We become something. Just like a Prabhupada given example, just like servant sometimes imitating the master, he thinks that he is the master. Similarly, in the Bhavaroga means when you are contracted by this Bhavaroga, how the Bhavaroga contracted? When you desire to be imitate the master, just like Prabhupada given an example, a servant desire to imitate the master, then he is contracted by the Bhavaroga. Similarly, when you desire, and desire comes from the heart, desire comes from the mind. So when you contracted, it is stated very beautifully that in this verse that how we are contracted, how we desire that is very nicely So that is a beautiful verses actually. It is there in 429, 26, 27. Very nice verses. That what is the root cause of our yeah. So it is stated the living entity by nature has a minute independence to choose his own good and bad fortune. When he forgets his supreme master, the personality of Godhead, he gives himself to the modes of material nature. Being influenced by the modes of material nature, he identifies with the body and for the interest of the body, become attached to various activity. Somebody under the influence of goodness, more passion, ignorance, and such as such. So in this way, living entity get different type of body under the modes of material. So here it is said that we have got this minute independence. When you misuse that minute independence, then just like you may hear my class, you do not. Actually, this classes is Prabhupada, everything very representative. We just repeating the whatever Prabhupada has instructed us. If you do not like to hear, okay, you go to hell. This is up to you. If you hear, you get benefited. This is your independence. So we have got independence. That we are as a Tatastha marginal energy of the Lord. We have that tendency to either with Lord or without Lord. Either we have to in service of the Lord or service of Maya. Just like a citizen, he either like to obey the law or he disobey the law and come to the jail. Similarly, we have this minute independence. When you desire this, bhavaraka means is a desire, a lust. When it is contracted by that desire or lust to imitate the master, then we are into jail. Because we cannot be there. We will be infected. We will be infected by the bhavaraka and undergoing the repetition of birth death. Just like COVID, as soon as they contracted by this COVID infection, then there is a symptoms of inconvenience developed. Similarly, as soon as we contracted by the desire, a lust of imitating the master, then that is happening. It is Prabhupada has given very nicely in this purport actually. Yeah. So similarly, the living entity, part and parcel of Krishna, start his own business to compete with Lord. There are many competitors to attend. See, this is competition is a and Prabhupada given an example that say servant may desire to start his own business, imitate his master. When he chooses to do so, he may leave the protection of his master. See, as soon as a servant wants to his own business, then he leaves the master. Similarly, when you desire to be separately, want to be enjoy, want to be master, then we will be in suffering. We will not under the protection. We will be thinking that we are something else. We are thinking that I am the Purusha Prakustita Munjante. Sad asana janma janmisu. We are thinking that we are Purusha, we are the enjoyer. Actually, we are not. That's why Bhagavad Gita Krishna say how we will what happens that Purusha Prakriti isto hi bhunkte Prakriti jan gunan karanam guna sangasya sadasana janma janmisu. The material nature, the living entity in material nature does follow the way of life, enjoying the three modes of material nature. That is the problem. And due to his association with that material nature, he meets good and evil among various species. That is the problem. As soon as we desire, then we have this problem that I identify something else. That is called bhava. Bhava means identify something else. It is stated again in Bhagavatam that yaha samohita jivam atmanam trigunatmakanam paropi manute nartham. Paropi manute means he himself thinking that he thinks himself as a material product, undergo reaction of material misery. See, he thinks himself, although the living entity transcendental, it is said that due to external energy, the living entity, although transcendental to three modes of material nature, think himself as a material product. That is called bhava. Bhava means to become something else. Although we are transcendental, we are part and parcel, we are the spirit soul, Brahmasmi, but due to contact with our external energy, means external energy means that is called bhava raga. as soon as we are contracted with this bhavaroga, external energy of the Lord, we are thinking that we are something else. That is called bhavaroga. Therefore, it is termed as a bhavaroga. Therefore, it is said that Krishna bhuliya jiva bhagavancha kare nikatastha maya tares dhapati adhare. When the living entity desire to enjoy separately from Krishna, then he is contracted by the bhavaroga. He is contracted by the Maya. He is under the spell of Maya and suffering. That means he is infected. He is infected already. COVID is still, it is a lung infection. We have a heart and mind infection. COVID actually sits in the lungs, then it slowly spread in the body, and there is a, what do I say, particularly the respiratory lungs means it's a respiratory systems, is conducted by the lungs. So it is, then it spreads to all other organs, and there is a multiple organ failure. Similarly, the desire to lord over the material nature, desire to separate from the Lord, desire to imitate the master, when it comes, we are contracted, bhavaroga, and we are infected, undergoing the repeated birth and death. That is called bhavaroga. And the desire is, actually the desire, the infection, this virus is a sitting place of in the mind and heart, because the desire is mind. Intelligent desire, the mind has no reasoning, no faculty of reasoning. Intelligent is higher than mind because it has the faculty of reasoning, what is good or what is bad. So mind and heart, the desire place. Therefore Krishna says also that where the virus stays, just like a virus infected in lungs, but this bhavaroga infected in the mind and the desire, mind and the heart. It is stated in Krishna also say that this and our greatest enemy in the mind. 337 Krishna say kama es Sri Bhagavan uvacha kama esa krodha esa rajaguna samudbhava mahasna mahapapma vidhi emam iha vairanam. The Supreme Personality of Godhead say it is lost only organ who is born of contact with material modes of passion, later transformed into wrath, which is all devouring sinful enemy of the Lord. So the sitting place of the virus is our mind and heart. If we disinfect our mind and heart, we are free from this bhavaroga, and we will go back to our original position. Just like as soon as we disinfect lung infection, if lung infection disinfected, so we will no more be a COVID patient, COVID positive patient. Similarly, when disinfected the mind and it, because that is the important. You can see this beautifully, it is stated in 422 that how it is, if you see 422, it's a beautiful Bhagavatam. It is stated beautiful in 422 that how we are subject to it is said that when the soul exists for sense gratification, he creates different desire. For that reason, he becomes subject to designation. That is called bhava. That is bhavaroga. Bhava. We become something else, some designation. And when one is in transcendental position, he is no longer interested in anything except fulfilling the desire of the Lord. That is our original position. Only because of different curve does a person see different between himself and others. When one's mind and senses are attracted to sense object for enjoyment, the mind becomes agitated. As a result, continually thinking of sense object, one real consciousness almost becomes lost. Like a water in the lake that is gradually sucked up by a grass straw in its blank. When one deviates his original consciousness, he loses the capacity to remember his position or recognize his present one. When remembrance is lost, all knowledge acquired based on the false foundation, which is, of course, learned scholars consider that soul is lost. This is the position where we are contracted by the bhavaroga. Soul is lost. We forgot that we are transcendental to all this material existence, material suffering, all the designation, false designation. We are part and parcel subservient, Nitya Krishna Rasa. That time we are contracted and contracted by the enemy called Bhavaroga, which is infected our mind. It is said that mind and intelligence. Mind and heart. Mind means senses, because mind cannot, mind is subtle. Mind cannot, communicate with the world directly. He communicates with the world with the interface, GUI, graphical user interface, we say. That user interface. What is that user interface? This is called senses interface, using the senses. 5 senses, 5 working senses, 5 knowledge acquired senses. In this way we have senses. So 15 senses. Sense object 5, working senses 5, knowledge acquiring 5, and mind 16, total 16. So mind is communicating to the outer world with different senses. And this Bhavaroga disease, the virus, he stays on the stays in the mind and mind and our intelligence, and be luring us. Therefore we have to disinfect that mind and intelligence. That is the whole idea. So whole idea, it is stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita that in 33-37 and subsequent verses, that how this virus, that a fire is covered by smoke and mirror covered by dust, embryo is covered by womb, living entity is similarly covered by different degree of the loss. So in different degree that loss is covered. That means everybody is infected, no doubt of the fact. Everybody infected by the B virus or Bhava virus, but different degree. Somebody is just like COVID also, somebody is very serious person, mild person. Similarly we have also some seriousness. Somebody is so much engrossed, mode of ignorance, mode of passion, mode of goodness, like this. So the infection is there. Material existence means we are infected. We are infected, but degree is there. And also some people are not infected, like a doctor is not infected and he is curing a COVID. Similarly, those who are pure devotees, they are not infected. They have come to cure us. So in this way, this virus is sitting in the different places and attacking us, weakening our immune system. Immune system means our remembrance power. Here the immune system, immune is actually remembrance power, our strength of remembering to Krishna that we are belongs to God. That remembrance power, that intelligence has been weakened, because it is said that senses, mind, intelligence are sitting place of the lost. Though them lost, through them the lost cover the real knowledge and living entity, builders him. So that is how the COVID virus weakened the lungs and the whole respiratory system fails. People dies without breathing. There is a breathlessness, therefore there is oxygen, we need oxygen, ventilator actually. Similarly here, this mind, intelligence and senses, the 3 things is very important. The senses and senses, 5 senses, the master is mind, the more than mind is intelligent, because intelligence has got a faculty of reasoning. Mind may desire, I can go and murder somebody, but intelligence say, no, if I murder, I have to go to jail. So these 3 places, the most vital places, and by the use of these 3 places, we can transcend. These 3 places are infected by Bhava virus. It covers the remembrance, because through intelligence we can remember, we can understand that we are part and parcel of the Lord. And through mind we can engage in the service of the Lord through the senses. So these 3 places is very important. Ursikena Ursikesa Sevanam. 3 places very important to transcend or disinfect from the COVID virus. And when 3 places are infected, we are undergoing repeated birth, death, disease, old age. Not only death, death is once, as I told you. We have our material existence is constitute of the millions and zillions of trillions of birth. This birth only one COVID death, but we have a zillions of birth. That itself is a common sense that how dangerous is it? Infinitely dangerous, exponentially dangerous the B virus, Bhava virus is. Therefore, to analyze that this virus is affecting our mind and desire, and we have to disinfect that. Krishna himself already exposed that. the virus, where it is sitting. Krishna is the greatest of all direct doctor, the supreme doctor. He knows the virus, just like a doctor, they know that where the virus affecting the lungs and what is the remedy for the disease COVID. Similarly, here also the Krishna is the supreme doctor. He knows where this infection, where this virus sits, where it is infected, where it is affecting in the body. Therefore, Arjuna, best of the Bharat, in the very beginning carved this great symbol of loss by regulating the sense, slay destroyer of knowledge and self-realization. Therefore, we have to regulate the senses. We have to control the mind. We have to purify our intelligence. Therefore, today's verses, it is said that in my verses there, the real interest of the living entity to get out of the nations of cause him to endure repeated birth and death. The only remedy is to surrender to the Supreme Personality of Godhead through his representative. Unless one render devotional service unto the Personality of God and Vasudeva, one cannot possibly become completely detached from this material world, nor he can possibly manifest real knowledge. See, our knowledge is now infected. To disinfect it, now our mind is intelligent, is adulterated, infected by bhava virus. To disinfect means we have to engage in the devotional service of the Lord. Then only we can detach from this world. That means detach from this, cure from this bhava virus. Cure from this bhava virus. That is the remedy. And people are oblivious. They said, no, COVID is affecting the only death, but here birth also painful. In material existence means not only birth, not only death, birth, death, disease, old age, adhyatmic, adidavik, full of misery, dukkhalayam asasthatam, full of troublesome and temporary. Krishna, the manufacturer of this material world, he himself declared very categorically, dukkhalayam asasthatam. Chapter 8, text 15. This place is full of misery, full of troubles, trial, tribulations, and also temporary, transient, flying and fading. So we have not only this birth, not only the problem of death, but the bhava virus is more dangerous because you have to undergo the process of undergoing to obnoxious process of birth, death, old age. Birth is not also just like death. Death is not at all pleasing. Death is very, very painful. There are so many verses, 11, 2, 11, 10, 20, all this, how death is so painful. Also birth is painful. It is stated in this verse, the birth is also very painful. There is beautiful verses in chapter 3. It is stated, 331:4. Within, 331:6 again, I think. In 331 verses, it is said that how the birth is so painful, Beaten again all over the body by hungry worm, the abdomen itself, the child suffers a terrible agony because of his tenderness. He thus becomes unconsciousness moment after moment because of terrible condition. So how my whole chapter is 331 is showing is about the terrible condition in the womb of the mother. So our material existence means bhavaroga means we have to repeatedly birth. That means how much suffering. Repeatedly death, and death is not at all pleasing at all. Very, very painful. It is stated in these beautiful verses. Death is very, very painful. See. My dear king, in the material world, conditioned soul, not this verse, 10, 11, 10, 20. It is said that death is not at all pleasing. It is not pleasing, it is painful. One of the verses I forgot, it is said that demigod, that death is very, very painful. So death is painful, disease is painful, old age also painful. Old age, Shankaracharya say, disease we have confronted, how it is painful. And now old age also very painful. Shankaracharya very nicely say in this beautiful subject. Shankaracharya say that angam galitam palitam mundanam dasanam vihinam जीतम तुंडम वृद्ध जाति गृहीत दंडम तदापि मुंचयते अपिंडम. See beautiful verses. We grow old, we even practice austerity, whatever, we do not develop the wisdom. So it is said that when you grow old, angam galitam palitam mundam, in old age very invalid, we cannot do anything for our betterment, for our welfare. So Shankaracharya in his very nicely, this old age is how painful, invalid. So we have to repeatedly undergo the birth, death, old age and disease. So therefore it is said that this Bhavaroga is more dangerous. Therefore whole Bhagavatam, whole Vedanta Sutra starts with this, that Murtvam Amritam Gatangamaya. You don't stay in this material existence, full of death. You go to deathless. Amritam Gamaya, Amrityam Gamaya. You do not stay in this platform of death. Today COVID-19, again we have to take birth, repeated, again we will be infected by cancer. There are so many diseases which kills. Why? This is because of contracted with the bigger pandemic, bigger virus, that is called B virus or Bhava virus. Therefore we should be permanently, instead of a temporary solution for the COVID-19 or COVID, this pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19 virus is a temporary measurement. Even after we successfully vaccinated, successfully counteracted, but we cannot avoid the death. Death is inevitable. As long as we have material existence, there is death is inevitable. And it's excruciating. This is a very excruciating situation, death. Inevitable. We cannot escape from that. Inevitability of the death is very truth, very blatant and blunt fact. So again we have to take birth. We have to die ultimately after COVID or after 100 years. Sometimes my friend told that I am vaccinated, I am done and dusted. You are not done and dusted. Either today or tomorrow you are going to kicked out. We are living in a very existential, non-existential atmosphere. Therefore, we are in an awkward position. Ahani, ahani, bhutani, gacchatiya, jamalayam, sesasthavara, icchanti kim ascharjam atah param. Very wonderful things, amazingly stupid thing that, Maharaj Yudhishthira, when asked by Yamraj, is very nicely responding that what is the most wonderful thing in the world. Everybody, in every moment, is going to Jamalayama. They are dying, But those who are remaining, they are thinking that, oh, I am safe. They are not safe either today or tomorrow, either COVID or natural death. They have to give up. They cannot maintain the status quo. Therefore, they repeated, again they have to take birth. According to their karma, they have to take birth. Either this species, that species. 429, it is said that either the male, female and all different body they will take according to the karma. Somebody is fish, water, there are so many 8.4 million species of life. Bhava virus means you have to take birth. As long as we have this Bhava virus, we have different species. We can take birth in different species. Repeated birth. 8.4 million species of life. So in this way, we have to undergo repeated birth and death, undergoing different species of life, different wombs of the mother, different planets. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jastare. So this is called Bhava virus, which is very dangerous because a repeated pain, repeated inconvenience of birth, death, disease, old age is equal to Bhava roga. That is the symptom, that is the symptoms of this Bhava roga. Repeated birth, inconvenience. But on the other hand, this COVID or coronavirus is just once death. Therefore, this Bhava roga is very dangerous. We should not be oblivious. We may die, again we have to take birth, again we have to undergo all these trial and tribulations. Adhyatmik 7:30-31, Srimad Bhagavatam, you can read it, because there are so many verses we have to say 7/13/31, it is say that everybody is infected by the all kind of things, you know, this as long as we have this contracted by the bhavarog, we have to go through materialistic activities are always mixed with a kind of miserable condition, adhyatmic, adidoivik, adibhautik. Therefore, even if one achieves some success by performing such activity, what is the benefit of this success? One is still subjected to the birth, death, old age, disease, reaction of his fruitive activities. So this is the problem in bhavarog. We are always tormented by all this inconvenience. Therefore, our main problem is that this bhavaroga, bhava virus, not the COVID virus. We have to get out from this. This is the real interest of living entities. But out of ignorance, we do not know that. This is say that 5:16. Why we are not oblivious to all these things? People are so much focusing, so much emphasizing on this COVID-19. That is fine, but one should not be oblivious to the more dangerous pandemic, more dangerous virus, that is bhava virus. Why they are oblivious? Because they are ignorance of the fact. Therefore, Bhagavatam is enlightening them, educating them, enriching their knowledge. It is said that due to ignorance, the materialistic person does not know anything about his real self-interest, the auspicious path in life. He is simply bound to material enjoyment by lusty desire. Again, the lusty desire coming. And all plans are made for this purpose, for temporary sense gratification. Such person creates society of envy due to this mentality. He plunges into the ocean of suffering. Such a foolish person does not even know about this. See, they do not know out of ignorance. They are thinking, oh, I am happy. Although they are contracted by bhavarog, they do not know that they are infected. No, and they are spreading this infection to others. It is said that how they are illusion. Here we know that they are ignorance. Out of ignorance, they are thinking. 339, beautiful verses. Gruhesu kutta dharmesu dukkha tantresu atendriya kurban dukkha pratikaram sukham manyate grihi. That is what we are infection spreading, we say. The attached householder remains in his family which is full of diplomacy and politics, always spreading the misery controlled by the act of sense gratification. See, in 5:16 we saw that because of sense gratification, because of ignorance, they are so much absorbed, indulged in the sense gratification process, they do not know their self-interest. To get out from this repeated birth and death, to extricate, to cure from this bhavaroga, to disinfect from this bhavaroga. But here it is said that not only they are infected because of ignorance, not following the properly, just like you do not know you are infected and you are going without masking and you are spreading the virus. Similarly, they are spreading the virus. See, they are spreading everywhere. They are thinking that I am okay. I have no infection. That is what happening actually in India. Why India? There is an unprecedented chaotic surge in this infection. Every day 400,000 people infected, 4,000 people are dying. Because the only thing that these people are out of ignorance, they are thinking I am not infected and they are going out, so much complacency. As a result, they are spreading this. This is what these people are thinking, that material world is very, very happy. Here it is said that kurban dukkham pratikaram sukham manyate grihi. He acts just to counteract the reaction of all misery, and if he can successfully counteract such misery, he thinks that he is happy. So that is the problem. By illusion, he is thinking that I am happy, I am not contracted and infected by the bhava virus. So that is his problem. As a result, he is spreading it. So therefore, it is very, very dangerous. We are in a very precarious situation, predicament situation, more precarious. The V virus is more precarious and dangerous than this COVID virus, because due to his subjective nature, intrinsic nature of repeated inconvenience of death, repeated inconvenience of all the misery, repeated inconvenience of the birth, disease, old age. Therefore, it is utmost important for living entity, as today's words, the real interest of the living entity, to get out from this infection, B virus infection, bhava virus infection. How to extricate from this inconvenience? of repeated birth and death. So now we come to the solution part. Just like solution of the coronavirus is vaccinations. What is the vaccinations? As in this beautiful verses, today's verses, it is said that this bhakti is the vaccination. Bhakti is the vaccination for the bhavarog. Just like vaccination for COVID is, you have a vaccination Pfizer, we have medicine vaccination injection. So we have this vaccination is there. So we have Moderna, we have so many other vaccinations. So we have this vaccination called devotional service to the Lord. What is devotional service? Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Bandhanam, Archanam, Padasevanam, Padasevanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam, Iti Pumsarpita Bhakti Chena Navalakkhana. Iti Pumsarpita Vishnu Bhakti Chena Navalakkhana. The 9 symptoms of bhakti, 9 parameters of bhakti, that is called Shravanam Kirtanam. Starting with Shravana Kirtanam. So this is our devotional service. One is engaged in the devotional service, means one can purify, disinfect the intelligence, where this virus is sitting, disinfect our mind and disinfect our senses. Bhakti devotional service. That is the potent medicine. That is the vaccination for our bhavarog. So what is this? Shravanam Kirtanam. Starting with Shravanam. Nirvitate se rupagiyamana bhavosado sota vimanarama. Bhagavatam, it is already said that. Bhavosado, chapter 10, text 1-4. Nirvitate se rupagiyamana bhavosado sota vimano virama. Gautama sloke gunanubadam puman virajate vina pasudhana. So this is our Shravana Kirtana. Bhakti starts with 7, 5, 23, 24. Prahlad Maharaj said that there are 9 types of bhakti. It starts with Shravanam Kirtanam. And all this vaccination, not only this verses, there is so many verses it is said that the only vaccination is that to engage in the service of the Lord. The only vaccination. There is no other vaccination of Bhavarog. 11:19:90. It is said that, my dear Lord, who is being tormented on terrible path of birth and death, is gone. Very important verses. Note down, memorize. Prabhupada said, remember means remember to note down. Now 99% devotees are not noting down. We don't care about others, So, my dear Lord, for one is who is being tormented on terrible path of birth, death, and is constantly overwhelmed by the threefold misery. I do not see any possible shelter other than your 2 lotus feet, which are just like a refreshing umbrella that pours down showers of delicious nectar. So here it is already stated in this beautiful verses that Nanya Charanam Tavangri. There is no other vaccination than taking shelter of your lotus feet. Taking shelter of your lotus feet means engage in the devotional service of the Lord. Engage in the devotional service of the Lord. There is so many verses it is say that, the same vaccination has been, either you are Pfizer or Moderna or Covaxin, the whole idea to how to disinfect the lungs. Similarly, everywhere in this it is say that only way to get out from this virus which is sitting in this on the mind, intelligence and our senses to engage in the devotional service of the Lord. Here it is said that beautiful verse 12:440. For a person who is suffering in the fire of countless miseries and who desires to cross insurmountable ocean of material existence. That is one life COVID is affecting. Here it is insurmountable ocean of material existence. There is no suitable boat except that of cultivating devotion to the transcendental taste for the narration of Supreme Personality of Godhead pastime. That is hearing. Starting with hearing, it is said that transcendental taste for the narration of Supreme Personality of Godhead pastime. See, Punsa Bhaved Vibuddha Dukkhadavara Ditisya Lila Katha Rasa Nivesanam Antarena. See, by narration of the Lord. Bhavosadu Sutavi Mano Sota Mano Viramat Kam Uttam Sloke Gunanubadat Bachamsi Vaikuntha Vannana. So this Vaikuntha Katha, Krishna Katha, Hari Katha, hearing the Hari Katha is only remedy for this dangerous, infectious efficacious, precarious virus, very potent virus, Bhavarog, B virus. So this is the only thing. So everywhere it is stated in Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita, everywhere, it is stated that this virus is very important and only way to engage in the service. As Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakta mad jadi mam namaskaru. Mam ivasyasi satyam te pratijani priyasami. You want to be impregnable to this virus. You have to be, if you want to be immune to this virus, if you want to, disinfect from this virus, B virus, we have to take shelter. Manmana bhava mad bhakta mad jadi mam namaskaru. We have to engage in devotional service by remembering Krishna, by chanting, hearing, by offering obeisances. That is the only process. Sarva dharman paritadamam ekam saranam vad. Aham tum sarva papebhyo mukhyasami. Murtu sansara sagarat. 12:6-7. Krishna says, who is engaged in devotional service of the Lord, I will take him away from the Lord. I take out from this infection. Disinfect him. It is stated very like Bhagavad Gita. It is stated that Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 12:6-7 that Tesamam samudrata murtu sansara sagarad bhavamina chirat partha mai avasita chetasa. But those who worship me, giving up all their activities unto me, being devoted to me without deviation, engage in devotional service. See, engage in devotional service. Always meditating upon me, having fixed their mind upon me. O son of Partha, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. This is the point. This is the point Krishna has already made, that you want to disinfect it, you have to take shelter of me. You have to engage in devotional service. Same thing has been repeated. It's a beautiful verse, 2 verses I will show you. In Srimad Bhagavatam 3:25-41. Remember, all these verses are very, very important. See, it is said that the terrible fear of birth and death can never be forsaken by anyone who researches any other shelter than myself. For I am the Almighty Lord, Supreme Personality of Godhead, the original source of all creation, also the Supreme Soul of all souls. See, it cannot be forsaken unless only way, only vaccination to take shelter of the Lord. There is no other way. There is no other way. So therefore it is stated in the very previous verses of this verse, it is stated that those who are engaged in the service of the Lord, 3:29-40, thus the devotee who worship me, the all-pervading Lord of the universe, unflinching devotional service, gives up all aspiration to be promoted to heavenly planet, to become happy in this world with wealth, children, cattle, home, anything in relationship with body. I take him to the other side of the birth and death. Same thing. Murtu sansara sagarat. Same thing Krishna say, I can disinfect you, I can protect you from this bhava virus if you engage in my service. Engage in my service. Not to that, up to that point Krishna say that never mind, you have not engaged, at least at the time of birth you say Hare Krishna, you still get out, you still be disinfected, you still be cured. It is stated in 12:3-44 Srimad Bhagavatam. Terrified, about to die, a man collapses on his bed. Although his voice is faltering, he is hardly conscious of what he is saying. If he utters the holy name of Supreme Lord, he can free it from ocean of his fruitive work and achieve supreme destination. Still people in this age of Kali will not worship the Supreme Lord. That is our unfortunate misfortune. Although Krishna is giving a concession that simply by about to die, if you simply utter the name Krishna, and you will be get out from this obnoxious material misery, death, inconvenience of death, inconvenience of material existence, obnoxious material existence. So simply by about to die, about to collapse, simply say Hare Krishna. And it is just not like a blanket statement given by the Lord. And Lord has already proved this historical incident of Ajamila, who is a great sinful person, and he was about to die, but he immediately uttered the name of Narayan, and that time he was escaped from the death and went back to Godhead, to spiritual existence, free from this B virus, Bhava virus infection. Therefore, everywhere Krishna is speaking the same thing, that you want to get out from this Bhava virus, we have to take shelter of in devotional service. And that devotional services begin with this what is that? Begin with this hearing process, chanting process. In Kali Yuga, these two processes is very, very potent than any other process. What is this process? Bhavaroga. It is the process of this process of hearing. Bhavasdo. Sunnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarvana Kirtana. Sunnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Udantustani Avadrani Vidunati Swasatam 127 Srimad Bhagavatam. So Krishna say, we will be disinfected all your disease, Bhavaroga, from your heart. As we told that disease, desire to Lord, desire to be separated from the Lord, and that is in the heart, And this Sunnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Udantustani Avadrani Vidunati. Krishna will cleanse all the things. Everything. Cheta Darpana Martanam Bhava Mahadavagni. By hearing his message, and all things will be clean. The desire for material enjoyment. It is stated here. Clean the desire for material enjoyment from the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge to hear his message, which are themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted. This is what Krishna is giving all the solution, all the medicine, vaccination. What is this vaccination? We have people hearing, chanting, we have 9 types of vaccination. Any one of the type of vaccination, you are perfected, you are going back to Godhead. We have 9 types of vaccination, hearing, chanting, remembering, worshipping, there are 9 types of devotional service. We have so many vaccination. So by hearing and chanting, easily we can, the powerful vaccination to disinfect. So many verses. Kunti Devi is praying 1:836. Sinmanti gayanti grinanti abhiksnasa smaranti nandanti tavaitam jena saiva paschanti achirena tabakam bhava prabha upasamam padam bujadoya. Bhava prabha. It is beautiful verses 1:836. Kunti Devi is telling that one is engaged in the chanting, hearing, and etc. all this devotional service. One will stop this repeated birth and death. That means one is disinfected or cured from the B virus. Srimanti Gyanti Rananti Aviksnasa. So this is how powerful this Krishna Katha, Hari Katha is. Another beautiful verse is Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is full of medicine given. 177. Jasyam Bhai Sriyamanayam Krishna Paramapuruse. Jasyam Bhai Sriyamanayam Krishna Paramapuruse Bhakti Utpadate Punsam Sukh Soko Moha Bhayo Paya. All this lamentation, all this fear of this B virus will be extinguished simply by Jasyam Bhai Sriyamanayam, by hearing Krishna Katha. One develop the devotional service and love for Krishna. Consequently, one can be free from all kind of this lamentation, fear, fear of all this bhava virus, soko, moho, illusion, and fear of this bhava virus. 177. I am not showing it, you can get it, you can go and check the 285, because there are so many verses to show. 285 also there is another verse is beautiful. Krishna say that Pravishtakannarandrena swanam bhava saruraham dhunati samalam krishnam dhunati. Again disinfect from the heart, mind and intelligent. Disinfect the coronavirus, bhava virus. Salilasya jatha sarat. Just like in a autumn season, these muddy ponds become clear by rains. When rain falls in autumn season, everything will be cleansed in pond and it will be very clear. Similarly, when these vaccinations, when this vaccination will be injected, not through body, through ear, and it goes to the heart and disinfect it. Therefore, it is stated that one should always, in very previous verses, it is stated 284 that sunnatam sadaya nityam granatam cha swachestitam kalena niti dirghena bhagavana visate hirda. Person who hears Srimad Bhagavatam regularly are always taking the matter very seriously, will have the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna manifested in the heart within some time. See? Krishna immediately Saddha Hudaya Avarodhate Kirtibi Srutatibi Tatakyanat. Tatakhyana, Srimad Bhagavatam it is said that. Once you hear and chant this Krishna Katha, Krishna immediately comes and disinfect. All is, Krishna Katha is so potent, it disinfect everything. So this bhavas, the hearing process is very, very important, and see, when again it is again said in 10:1:14 also. Sutta Goswami said, O son of Bhrigu, after Sukadev Goswami, most respectable devotee, son of Vasudev, heard the pious question of Maharaj Parikshit. He thanked the king in great respect. He began to discuss the topics concerning Krishna, which are remedy for all suffering in the age of Kali. This is only vaccination. It is proved here. Very nicely said that. It is said that Pratyarcha Krishna Charitam Kali Kalmasa Ghinam. Krishna Charitam Kali Kalmasa Ginam. This is counteracting the contaminating influence of Kali. The remedy for the medicine, the vaccination, the vaccine for counteracting the contaminating influence or the bhavaroga of Kali Yuga in the age of Kali is Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha is so potent. Then one more verses is very nicely 10:31. The gopis beautifully spoke about this medicine. This all this medicine spoken by, just like there are so many countries, they have manufactured this COVID-19 medicine. Russia, Sputnik, India, Covaxin, America, we have Pfizer and Moderna, and so in China also, so and so forth. Similarly, gopis and all kind of devotees, they have given the same medicine. Different branding, but same medicine. Hearing Krishna Katha. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavividitam kalmasopam. Sravana Mangalam, very auspicious. Sravana Mangalam, auspicious. Srimadatam bhuvigrananti je bhuvitadana. The nectar of your words and description of your activity and the life and soul of those suffering in this material world. This, see, they are all this medicine. Life and soul means this medicine. Just like 10:1:14, here also gopis are telling they are all the medicine. Those who are suffering, undergoing the terrible suffering in this, undergoing material existence, material repeated birth and death in this material existence, this is all medicine. This panacea for all maladies. And another beautiful verses, the medicine, this is another medicine for 12th canto. The same medicine in different way. 12:12:15. Tadeva ramyam ruchiram navam tadeva sasam manasamocham tadeva sakannam sasannaninnam yaduttama sloko anugiyate. Beautiful verses. Beautiful. Those words describing the glories of all famous personality of Godhead are attractive, releasable. It is a releasable. Tadeva ramyam. Ramyam is attractive. Ruchiram means releasable. Ever fresh, indeed such words are perpetual festival for the mind. They dry up the ocean of misery. See, they dry up the infection. They are disinfect, sterilize, they insulator. They insulator. They decontaminated the virus, Bhava virus. What is that? Krishna Katha, the glories of the Lord. Krishna Katha is so potent, very attractive, very releasable. So this is all this medicine has been given. So many people, so many devotees, gopis, this other devotee, even Kulasekara used to say that 37 of Mukundamala, idam sariram parinam pesalam. See, here say that the body's beauty is fleeting. At last body must succumb to the death after his 100 of joints have stripped the old age. So why, bewildered fool, you are asking for medication? Just take the Krishna allegory, that one occur that never fails. This medicine is the ultimate truth, ultimate potent, ultimate solution. Just take, you will be get cured. Why you are unnecessary going here and there and trying this one, trying that? No need of all the things. Just take this Krishna allegory, Krishna medication. Then you will be. There are so many verses in Mukundamala, they are addressing the same issue. Okay, same issue actually. And in very next verses also, it is said that it is actually the nectar. Krishna Katha is the nectar. Krishna Naam is nectar. But the people in this world very unfortunate. Asajjayatam di manusya lokam visam pivanti. Sudham parityada visam pivanti. Namami narayana gochurani. They do not want this medicine. Medicine is nama, Harinama, Harikatha. Harinama, Harikatha. This nama, tattena Taktya anya vacha hukam patandi. All rubbish going on, all rubbish stuff going on, everything going on. But no Krishna Katha. So therefore people are suffering. This is very, very astonishing, stupidly amazing thing. Kulasekara is pointing out that they are giving up this vaccination, they are taking the poison, undergoing the repeated birth and death. So-called material adjustment of this vaccination, that vaccination may save from one life. That have to save temporary for few days, few years. That also not saving, but still few years. But one cannot escape death. One cannot go long. Death is a must. Death is a must. So therefore, this vaccination has to be taken. In 11.6.24, the verses after verses. Actually, Bhagavatam is 18,000 verses. How much we can present to substantiate the fact that vaccination is only devotional service, beginning from hearing and chanting. My dear Lord, this pious and saintly person who in this age of Kali hear about your transcendental activity and glorify them will easily cross over the darkness of the age. Easily cross over the darkness of the age. Simply by Sinvantaha kathayanta cha tarishanti agyasatamaha. Very nice. Yani te charita nisa manusya sadhava kalo sinvantaha kirtayantasya tarishanti agyasatamaha. Very beautiful verses it was. Kali Yuga, simply by hearing Krishna Katha, one can easily cross over. Therefore, the pious saintly person, they do that. So these are all this vaccination to counteract actually. Because if I do not do that, then we have to pathetically lose our body. Pathetically we have to undergoing repetition of birth and death. So these are all these, all these symptoms of, there is symptoms of there is a solution for this one. And how you taste it, that one is really disinfected. Very easy test. Very easy. Those who are engaged in service, that Krishna also say in 341, the Arjuna, best of Bharat, in very beginning caught the great sins by regulator. So Krishna say in the very nice verses, Arjuna is asking in so many places, actually, two places actually, in 254 and 16 chapter, that how we should know. Arjuna said, what are the symptoms of whose consciousness is thus merged in transcendence? How does he speak? What is his language? How does he sit? How does he walk? This is also stated. What is the test? Just like we are undergoing AR, what is that? ATR test, PET nowadays, PET test, this PRC test, PCR test, PET also nowadays they have started this PET test. Then PCR test. There are so many tests is going on. We have also test. How to test? How he speaks. So Krishna is speaking, answering that how the transcendentalists they speak. Supreme Personality of Godhead say, when a man gives up all varieties of desire for sense gratification which arise from mental concussion, which mind purified finds satisfaction in the self alone, he is said to be pure transcendental. No more desire to Lord over. He is detached. He is no more interested in this. Bhakti paresanu bhava viraktir anyatha. Bhakti means there is a detachment to Krishna. When it is tested, you are disinfected, means there is a test. Test is that you are disinterested in material attachment and interested in Krishna consciousness. That is the test. Here Krishna also same things. That he is no more interested in this, sense gratification process, this material sense gratification. He is not interested. Also, he is at the same time he is interested in Krishna. That is the taste actually. That is the taste. And to develop that taste, there is a rule and regulation as Srila Prabhupada has given, Shastra has given, that we have to follow the 4 regulative principle, chant 16 rounds, minimum 16 rounds, because these are the important ambience, important medicine, important. In this way, you develop the love for Krishna. These are the symptoms of this devotional service. These are the activities of devotional service. Do and do nots, And also We have to keep association with devotees. It will go long if you speak about this association. The association is like a social distancing. Just like we do the social distancing, we are masking up and we are being locked down. We have also same thing in virus. We are social distancing. Prabhupada say in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say asatsanga taga ehi Vaishnavacharya asatsanga, this association. Shastra say also 11:26. There's so many verses. Let me show you one of the verses. 11:26 of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is stated here that how important Sangam na kuryed asatam sisnodara tripitim kosser. See, one should never associate with materialistic, those dedicated to gratify the genital and belly. By following them, one falls into deepest pit of darkness, just like a blind man who follows another blind man. Problem here. Problem here, if you associate, then it will be again. If you associate with the infected person, although you are taking vaccination, you will get infected again. So very, very important. You have to disassociate. And that is called social distancing. Devotee must maintain the social distancing with non-devotee. So many verses in this regard also. 552 also it is said that 552 and Madhya also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say that what is that? Bishop say one can attend it is stated in this beautiful verses Mahat Seva Dwara Mahur Vimukta Tamodwaram Joshitam Sangha Sangam. That means association with this materialistic person, then again you get infected into Bhavara, again into entry into the material existence, undergoing repeated birth and death. Therefore this social distancing is very, very important. So you also masking, you don't speak nonsense, you don't open your mouth and go expose. Do not allow to enter all this nonsense thing, into ear and talk also. That is talking and purifying your talking and hearing. That is our masking. Our masking is, and don't talk nonsense and don't hear nonsense. Whatever here you speak about Krishna, hear about Krishna. That is our masking. And as far as our quarantine is concerned, lockdown, it is one of the verses in 11th chapter also it is stated that one should lock down oneself. Yeah. I forgot this verses 11th chapter. The verses say that we should be quarantined from these people, those who are 9651. This is the verses. These verses about the quarantine. A person desiring liberation from the material bondage must give up the association of person interested in sex life and should not employ his senses externally in seeing, hearing, talking, walking and so on. This is called masking. Masking yourself. First of all masking, then also quarantine. One should always stay in secluded places, completely fixing his mind at the lotus feet of the ultimately personality of Godhead. And if one wants any association at all, he should associate with persons similarly engaged. So this is called lockdown, locking down, and also masking. So these all the things are there in spiritual world. We have to be social distancing, disassociate with the non-devotees. Also masking. Masking means you should not employ senses externally in seeing, hearing, talking, walking, so on, with all this nonsense. And also we have this seculated. You should seculated. So in this way we can counteract this misery. We can counteract this infection of Bhavaroga. Thank you very much. It is too late. Thank you very much. We have another, so many verses are there. We are running out of time. So we have 10:87:38 also. There are beautiful verses are there. 10:87:38 is there where it is say that it is say that if you associate with all the things, if you break this principle, social distancing, masking, and quarantine, lockdown, then we will be losing your immune system and you will be contracted. He loses all his spiritual quality, must undergo repeated death. See, therefore we should be very careful, immune to the bhavarog, by adapting this process as delineated in Srimad Bhagavatam and our acharyas, that how to get out from this, murtu sansara, this repeated birth and death. Samasrita, we will end up with the beautiful last verses 10, 14, 58. Samasrita pada pallava plavam punya jasa hare murari bhavamaddo vachapadam padam padam param padam nabi padam tesam. So it is said that beautiful verses 10, 14, 58, these last verses let me show and wind up the session. And 10, 14, 58 of Bhagavatam, the samasrita ye pada pallava plavam mahat padam punya jasamurare bhavam vadvi vacha padam param padam yad vipadam natesam. For those who have accepted the boat of lotus feet of the Lord, who is shelter of the cosmic manifestation and is famous as Murari, the enemy of the Murari demon, the ocean of material world, is like the water contained in a calf of footprint. The goal is Param Padam, Vaikuntha, the place where there is no material misery, not a place where there is a danger at every step. See, very important. Simply by taking shelter of this process of devotional service, by hearing and chanting, one can easily cross this insurmountable ocean of material existence, become so much reduced like a calf footprint, like it becomes so reduced to this much, infinite to this much, and easily one can cross this misery. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All goes to Srila Prabhupada.